Hello guys, welcome back to yet another episode. And in today's lesson, what I want to share with you guys is how the reason why I don't trade on Monday, and I want to show you some of the factors that really affect you when it comes to trading that is Forex on Monday. So first thing first, it's important to get to head to our charts so that we can get to look into some simple scenario concepts that they're going to guide you on where to place your money, and of course by the end of the day become a profitable trader. So for those people who have been questioning me whether I really trade for sure, you can see here on the background I'm waiting as I'm recording this video. Today's Tuesday. I'm looking to get into a buying position, and if you have been following along my videos, you do understand I just trade just one currency pair. So I'll be showing you why I didn't trade yesterday. Yesterday it was on Monday, and of course what I'm anticipating and what I'm looking for today, Tuesday. And as right now it's around 10. The London session just opened, and some of the issues that they're going to guide you when it comes to placing these trades. And of course guys, remember I'm also a funded trader. I've been funded. I normally manage assets on a program goes by the name Funding Pips. So I'm talking from a I have a good track record of what I've been doing into the market. So for now, if you are totally new, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's head into the charts. So to start with, as I'm recording this video today, it's on Tuesday, and of course you can see my charts is right here. Of course I'm trading GBP JPY, and this is what I'm looking for at 4 hours time frame. So let's just add sessions. Let me first of all get to close the session marker. I want to show you some session breaks. These are broken lines that helps you to see the breakdown of each day. You can see from here we have this one. We have this is on Monday, and you can see I've drawn these two lines. There's these two lines. This is the high of the week that is from yesterday, and you can see this is the lower low. So what you just need to wait before you can get into a trade. First of all, you normally get to check where the market got to cross with a very strong of course candlestick, and you can see for this case the market got to break downwards, but later the market with the next candlestick, you can see the market got to break on the upper side with a continuation of three candlestick soldiers. This to show you that there is more of bullish momentum, and of course more buyers are coming in. And of course with the price action generally at 4 hours, we are looking for we can see we have very strong wicks on the lower side, meaning there's so much pressure coming and heading upwards. So for this week we might be looking for more of buying opportunities. So you can see this is a section break. This was the beginning of Monday, and this was the close of the Monday. And you can see for this case right here, you can see for this case right here, the market was just ranging, and then after ranging, the market got to break the high. If you can get to move to let's go to 1 hour first of all before you can get to move into the 15 minutes time frame. You can see for this case, you can see right here the market was just ranging yesterday, and then it got to break the upper side of that. And of course you can see right now I'm anticipating the market is going to retest. As right now this is Tuesday, I'm anticipating the market is going to retest these points right here before proceeding, and it gets to continue with the trend that is on the uptrend. So that's what we are looking for. And the reason why we normally wait for Monday is first of all the market to give us a clear direction on where it wants to head. For that case, you can see it first of all got to break on the lower side, but not with so many candles, just one, and then the market got to break the upper side with a couple of healthy candlesticks to show there are more of buyers more than sellers. So for that case, it's important for you to have that in mind. And of course, generally the market is still on an uptrend, so we should be looking more of buying opportunities for this week. So basically those are some of the simple concepts that you get to put in place. And of course with Monday, that's when the market is just creating the trend, creating the way to follow for that week. So it's important for you to have that in mind. and of course just go ahead, you get to incorporate other concepts like psychological levels, as well as I also get to use the 50 EMA. It's also another good concept to put in place, and of course trend lines is key. So make sure, of course, you get to take your time and understand how to draw these trend lines, so that you don't fall a victim of just making losses. And of course, for the entries, I normally focus at 15 minutes time frame. So for that case, as you can see right now, remember, I've pulled my Fibonacci, and this is what I'm anticipating. You can see the market got to touch 6.18, and right now, before I get into this entry, I'm just waiting for this candlestick to just engulf this one. If it gets to close after engulfing this one, I'm going to enter, and of course I'm going to be anticipating the TP to be the previous high. If you can get to come around here, you can see the previous high was somewhere around here, and that's where I'm anticipating to place my TP. And of course my stop loss, it will be around approximately 27 pips. It will be around 27 pips, and of course that one will be focusing on 2.7:1 risk to reward ratio. It's not a bad trade, so I just need to be patient. And of course, remember, the London session has just started. That is from 10. You can see with these markers right here, the London session just started, and of course you can see it also. The market just touched the 50 EMA at 15 minutes time frame, and now it was just a pullback, and now it's heading with the trend. So basically, that's how you get to analyze the market, and of course look for opportunities. And of course, you just need to be patient to just to understand all these concepts. And the more you get to spend more time on the charts, the more of course you get to understand this concept much easier and of course faster. That's it for today, guys. In case you want to learn Forex one-on-one, just talk to me on the comment section, or just hit my number and I'll get back to you. That's it for today, and of course looking forward to seeing you in our next one. Peace.